Okay, now let's move on to MCQ question 39. Algae are organisms found on the surface of stones. Snails feed on algae and are a food source for thrushes. Hawks are predators that feed on thrushes, and they are a type of small bird. Fleas live between the feathers of hawks and feed on their blood. Okay, so essentially, which diagram represents the pyramid of numbers for this food chain? Okay, so whenever we talk about food chain, we should know, okay, that the producers will be the one that contain the most amount of numbers. Okay, there will be the most amount of numbers of producers in the food chain. Okay, so the largest will be the producers. The second will be the primary consumer, and the third will be the secondary consumer, and so on and so forth. Okay, so based on this, option D is definitely out. Okay, option C is also definitely out because we can establish that algae is the producer. Okay, so it should be the largest in number. Okay, however, for question C, we can see that's extremely messy, so that's actually not correct. Okay, we will automatically think that the answer is option A, but it is not option A, it is in fact option B. Why is that so? This is because fleas are considered parasites. Okay, and parasites, they live in large amounts, okay, in the feather of hawks. Okay, so there are many fleas that live in the feathers of hawks. Okay, as a result of it, the number of parasites outweigh all the primary, secondary consumer, and even the producer itself. So when you see parasites, you need to know that there will be many parasites living, okay, in the body of the producer or the consumer or the secondary consumer. Okay, so that is true when you see parasites. Okay, don't automatically assume that the pyramid will assume the largest, which is the producer, and then the second largest, primary consumer, third largest, secondary consumer, and so on and so forth. Okay, sometimes there are different variations in the different pyramid of numbers for food chain. So do keep a lookout whenever you see different terms. Fleas are parasites. Okay, hence the option will be option B.